What are you doing, Banana? Come back here, silly. Can you come back here, please? What's your brother doing? Well, then what are you doing, little guy? Hi. You have red marks on your head from your brother biting you and hitting you with the shopping carts? Evan, Matthew. Give your brother a hug. Can you give him a kiss? Aw, give him a hug. Hug. Oh, good boy. No, no bite, no bite, don't bite. But good, very nice hug. Really good. Oops, careful, careful, careful. You're okay. You're okay. Love you. See you later, alligator.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Alright, we'll see you later. I'm going to turn it off now. Hi. Okay. Come on now. It's late. We got to get inside now. Okay?